Hi guys, welcome back to School for Finance, a channel dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom and escaping the rat race. In this video, I'm going to be having a look at Nio Stock and looking at a brief overview of the Q3 results, and then coming to a conclusion as to whether or not I see it as a buy or what I think about the current valuation. So I'm sure all of you have heard of Nio Stock. It's been very hyped lately, and it's a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, and the stock price has gone from 2 in March to 50 now, so 25 times up. So they released their Q3 earnings yesterday from the period of July to September. Let's just have a look. So 12,206 deliveries, and this time last year that number was at 4,800. So that's nearly tripling their number of car deliveries. That's amazing considering we've been in a global pandemic, we've been in an economic recession, and still they managed to triple the number of car deliveries. They have $3 billion in cash. Now that's very, very good. It means they can survive any economic downturns or any negative parts of the company. It also provides value to the shareholders because it means it's very, very unlikely for them to get diluted in the future or for Nio to provide common stock offerings. So that's a very positive thing. They're cash heavy. Their vehicle and non-vehicle margins have been rapidly increasing over the past few quarters. So what I mean by that is the production costs are going lower and the money they're making from the cars is going higher. So overall that creates an exponential increase in the profit margins for cars, batteries and other things that they're selling. And that's very positive. Operating cash flow is to turn positive in January 2021. And that's very, very good. From the increased margins, they can finally make good profit and end up positive in cash flow. They're predicting for Q4, so from September to December, they'll have 17,000 deliveries of cars. So considering Q3 they had 12,000, that's a 50% increase in one quarter, which is amazing for a car company. Absolutely amazing growth prospects here. And they've also said that they're releasing 2 sedans soon. So at the moment Nio are concentrated in the SUV sector, and now they're expanding into sedans, and maybe in the future they might go into hatchbacks. So the fact they're doing sedans is very good, as people wanting luxury saloons will be more willing to buy Nio again. And these cars look very nice. The cars that they make are very beautiful indeed. They have a new battery pack, so this will have no heat spreading, 24/7 temperature control, BMS, and this will be delivered to their customers in December. So this shows they're proactive and they care about their customers. They're giving upgrades, they're upgrading batteries, they're working constantly round the clock for their customers and to improve efficiency of their cars. And over the past 13 months, they've been the cio selling luxury SUV, electric luxury SUV seller. So beating the likes of Jaguar, BMW, Audi. Nio has been the highest luxury SUV electric vehicle that have been sold. And it looks like this company concentrated on the customer. They always put the customer first. So they're working on autonomous driving, but they've already made it clear that their goal is to reduce accidents and not to cut costs. So that's very positive in any company, the fact that they're looking to bring customers first rather than money first. And they have massive potential to, not only in China, but if they start expanding into the international world, they have huge potential. China has already started trade deals with 10 or 15 other countries, which could mean better prospects for Nio to outreach into other countries in the future. As well as that, the UK has said they're banning the purchase of new petrol or diesel vehicles in 2030. So that's only 10 years away, and if Nio can bring their market into Europe or in America, that will massively increase their profit margins and overall growth. In addition to this, they are receiving a couple of upgrades from the major banks. So the Bank of America have said that they're upgrading Nio to a price target of $54 from from somewhere like $25. And that the reason cited for this is the improved profit margins, the cash on hand, just the overall growth prospects is very, very exciting for NIO. The fact that they're expanding into other sectors like batteries, and they're doing sedan cars too, not only SUVs. That's very good. And I'm thinking that after these earnings, a lot of other banks will start to upgrade their price target for NIO. Another thing is JP Morgan have said that the Chinese electric vehicle market will have a 43% annualized growth rate over the next 5 decades. That is huge growth. And NIO will be at the forefront of this, as they own 10% of their stake in another electric car company, and they themselves produce wonderful cars that are really famous in China, all around China. And what do I personally think about NIO? I think it has huge growth prospects and untapped prospects. So they could produce batteries that could go 1,000,000 miles, like we were saying before, and they could do anything with their cars that would have massive prospects. However, at this current price point, I wouldn't recommend you to buy NIO. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so anything I say is just for education. Always do your own research before coming to a conclusion. But at this price point, I won't buy NIO because the market is currently pricing in a $65 billion market cap. Now, this company has only been around for a few years, is not turning any profit, and we're already saying it's double the market cap for Ford, an established car maker over the past hundreds of years. That's a bit over the top in my opinion, and the fact that it's the same market cap as General Motors, we see General Motors vehicles all the time, everywhere. So I'd say it's a little bit overvalued right now. In addition to this, another bearish factor is the fact that JP Morgan, the bank, have purchased 1 million shares worth of put options. So put options are when they're predicting the price to go down. So JP Morgan, they rode the way up, and now I think they're going to ride the way down, and that will hurt a lot of retail investors. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you got a lot out of it. Please like, subscribe and comment any future videos or what you think about NIO. Thank you for watching.